Most people should train their body like they maintain their engine. Strength training is like putting gas in your car for power. No gas, no movement. Stretching is like putting oil in the engine. Oil reduces friction. It keeps things running smoothly like smooth joints. If you don't stretch correctly, it's like running an engine with dirty oil. It wears down really fast. Nutrition determines how long it lasts. It's like putting cheap fuel in your car and can't understand why you have bad performance. If you want longevity, you need all three. You need strength training, you need flexibility, and you need good nutrition so that you have better longevity with your life. That's exactly what I teach with the stretch and release technique. On my YouTube channel, The Muscle Repair Shop, I have more than 200 free videos to help you better understand the stretch and release technique. You can also, on my channel, join my membership, which gives you weekly live Q&As with demonstrations to answer all of your questions. It'll go deep dive on tutorial videos for each individual stretch that I teach. And we're also building a community that you can share with and they can share with you to help you on your journey of living a more pain-free life. Buy my book on Amazon, Stretch and Release. It's a manual to your body. It teaches you why the stretch and release technique is beneficial to you, why most treatments that you've tried have either failed or come up short, and then finally we'll go into some deeper dives on specific areas of the body that not only will talk to you about what's happening, but you can use a QR code to see videos to see what you're doing. Start wherever makes sense with you, but start now learning how your body actually works. Because longevity isn't about doing more, it's about doing it smarter.